Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to an unexpected Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is a little bit of unexpected spur-of-the-moment splurge purchase I just made at Ala Center here on Oahu. And as you saw in my last Hawaii vlog, you'll see that I didn't expect to get this. I didn't talk about shopping at Louis Vuitton. I did go to the Kalakaua Avenue store and Louis Vuitton, and I just didn't really see anything that I wanted. I did ask about this bag, and I don't believe even had it in stock. They didn't have the cosmetic pouches I was interested in, so I decided to pass. But then our family just went to Ala for one last minute dinner here in Hawaii, and I said, all right, I'm gonna go check out Louis Vuitton. So I went in with my 3-year-old, didn't need an appointment. I met a great sales associate, and I asked for this particular bag. I also, of course, asked if they had any monogram bun bags because I know that's being discontinued, and I really have been trying to get that for probably a year now. And he confirmed that they're not making them anymore, but he did show me some other potential options, including some of the men's styles and this particular option. So let me show you guys what I got. I'm about to leave for Hawaii, but I decided to splurge on myself one last time. And of course, I will share with you the price points because in Hawaii, of course, there is this Hawaii discount for a lot of fashion houses, including Louis Vuitton, and my sales associate confirmed that it was about a 10% discount on all of their handbags and small leather goods, which is still amazing. And again, tax is 4.7% here in Hawaii. Sorry for the lighting, of course. This is basically sundown already, so I don't have great lighting here in my hotel room, but I wanted to quickly unbox this so I can kind of pack it away for our trip home tomorrow. I apologize again, you can hear my kids next door because they are playing with their new items that they picked up as well. So sorry about all that noise. All right, so it came in the box here. Here is my receipt, which I will share with you guys. Price points, of course, in a minute. But here is the item. It's beautifully packaged. I'm just gonna lift up the ribbon here. And it comes in the classic orange Louis Vuitton box. And I will say the stock in the Ala store was better, at least in my opinion, than in Waikiki. It's a beautiful store. It's a very large store. It's multiple levels. So definitely check it out at Ala Center if you haven't already. So here's what I picked up. It's of course a small bag. I don't know if you guys will be able to guess what this is. I haven't talked much about this, but it is, in my opinion, very similar to the bum bag that I wanted to get my hands on. So I decided to go for this beauty. So here it is in the dust bag, and let me open up the bag here. All right, so this is going to reveal my brand new monogram utility bag. All right, so this is not a new release or anything, of course, but my sales associate did say that this was featured on one of their runway shows, which is kind of cool. And you guys have probably seen this already, but it's this cute little utility style bag. But this bag, of course, is very versatile, which I love. One way to carry it is like this, which is so adorable. Kind of reminds me of the Bouchette Matisse in terms of the top handle, but that's really cute. And it has these front pockets here, which is really versatile, I think. It's definitely smaller than the Bouchette Matisse, but I was looking for, again, a crossbody style smaller bag. I have a lot of totes, and I have some very small type of walks, but I wanted something kind of like this in between. So let me go ahead and show you what the inside looks like. Let me come up a little closer. So of course, here are the details. Gorgeous monogram, and they're kind of phasing out a lot of their canvas items, so I was so happy I was able to pick this up here. This zipper is functional. It has these 2 small pockets here, the very buttery zippers per usual for Louis Vuitton. And then the inside is this gusseted pocket here, and here are the SKU tags. So this is called, I believe, the Utility Crossbody in Monogram. Here's the SKU tag there in case you're curious. So on the front there is a little pocket, and on the back wall there is another larger pocket and a huge inside here. Well, huge is relative. It's a pretty small bag, but it will hold a lot, I think, and it is gusseted, which is very nice. The back is plain. There's no pockets or anything like that. And then the top does say Louis Vuitton on there, which is really nice and classic. But what I really love about this bag, of course, is the option to carry it either as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. So I'm probably going to do it like that. And as it's styled on the website, you'll see, and I'll try to insert some pictures, you do style it in a similar way to the bum bag, where the person or the model is wearing it crossbody, kind of higher up like this. So this bag does come with this beautiful fabric or canvas type of strap that says Louis Vuitton, and it's really nice because it's this kind of off-white color, so it's not stark white, such that I don't think it'll get super dirty, which is what I was looking for. And it comes with this cute little coin purse. So it's a basic coin purse, but it slips through the back like this, so you can use it as a separate piece. If you want to take this off, I believe you could, and use it as a separate little piece here for some extra bills, maybe cards, or maybe some earbuds would be really useful for, I think. But I just love this little canvas strap, and it, of course, is adjustable. So I will share with you mod shots in a few minutes, of course, and how I intend to wear this. But I thought this bag was really adorable. It's a little bit of a splurge, I admit. I don't necessarily need this. I think it is pretty similar in look to the Pochette Matisse, but of course this is more of a casual style. And for my lifestyle with 4 kids just kind of running around, that's how I envisioned using this bag. So just for my necessities, that's kind of what I wanted it for, and I just thought it looked really, really sporty and cool. And I do love the top handle as well. So that's why I had my eye on this bag. And the other bags I tried on were crossbody styles too, so I will put some pictures up here as to those other designs that I looked at. One of it was the newer release Diane bag. It had a flap style bag for the bag component. It also had this canvas crossbody strap and a leather shoulder strap. I didn't necessarily think that suited my style right now or something that I needed, because I did, of course, here in Hawaii, pick up my Dior Bobby bag, which I unboxed already for you all. And that has that kind of flap style bag as well. So I thought that was pretty similar. I didn't necessarily think I needed to add the Diane style right now, but that was a beautiful one to check out. And the strap came in pink or black. I tried the loop bag in monogram, which is a little small for what I was hoping for, so I decided to put that one back as well. And then this particular utility bag does come in leather options as well, and believe it or not, it's the same price as the canvas, which I'm not sure how I feel about that. It would have been nice if this was a little bit discounted compared to the leather. But they did have a black version. It's in the smooth black leather, but I believe just this pocket had the en-pron in it. Again, I just purchased my black leather calfskin Dior Bobby bag, so I don't really need a black leather bag like this as well, crossbody, so I didn't necessarily go for that. And I did see on the website there are the brighter, more spring summer colored leather as well. So a couple different versions, but I thought this was just a really trendy, kind of cool looking bag that I wanted to pick up at the Hawaii discount. All right, so let me go and show you a couple of mod shots in our hotel mirror, and you can check out how this bag looks like on me. And then I'll come back and tell you more about price point and kind of sum up what I think about this bag. Okay guys, so it's nighttime here, as you can tell by the sunset in the back, so the lighting is horrible. But again, this is my little impromptu right before we leave Louis Vuitton unboxing for ya. So here you go. We're gonna work with the lighting. But here's what the utility bag looks like on, and this way I styled it such that it's kind of a high, you know, kind of crossbody, or I think reminiscent a little bit of the bum bag that I had my eye on for so long. This clips with these little D-ring clips here on the top of the handle. And here's the little pouch, which is a really cute accessory, I think. But this is, I believe, how the website styled it, where it's a really high type of a crossbody bag with this pouch kind of in the front. I actually think this may be even less bulky than the bum bag, so I kind of like this, maybe even better, honestly, because you kind of still get that crossbody across the chest type of look, but it's a little less bulky, I think, honestly. So I kind of like it like this. I think it's really trendy this way, and will be very versatile because it's hands-free. I can easily access all of my items really, really quickly. and it was really easy to adjust. So let me show you how it looks styled other different ways as well. So let me just show you first. As you can see here, the D-rings are actually on the handle on the edges, which I really love. A lot of other crossbody attachments are actually on the sides of the bag, so those D-rings kind of stick out if you're not using them and you want to use it as a clutch. I don't know if I'm explaining that correctly, but basically I love how it attaches higher up than on the side of the bag. And then let me show you how it looks like as a shoulder style. So if I wanted to use it as shoulder, this is the same strap length that I used for that short crossbody. So of course you can do it like a shoulder bag like this, or even longer, shorter if you'd like. And then I can also do it as a long crossbody, which let me show you how that looks. Okay. So this is not even the longest it can go, but this is how I would do more of a traditional or classic crossbody style. So this is how this would look, and I actually may do this quite a bit too. I actually think it's a good look. I did say that I like the higher up crossbody, but I actually think this may be, for me, a little bit more comfortable. The bag will fling around more than it does if it's a kind of chest crossbody, but actually I think I like this look as well. I think it looks really trendy, cool, and it's really versatile. And then I can move the pouch a little higher up across my chest like this. But I think this look is also one that I probably will be using as well. So the strap is super adjustable, on the fly, very versatile. So yeah, I'm really loving this bag so far. I think it's a great first impression. In fact, I think I'm going to use this on the plane tomorrow when I travel. I think it'll be super versatile. You can carry all of my essentials really close to me. And then I'm going to put it into my Saint Laurent Rive Gauche to carry as a hand carry. Anyway, well, I hope you like this bag so far, and I will let you guys know how well it does for me. I probably also will do a comparison video once I test this out more with my Pochette Métis, because I think the look is similar, especially with this leather top handle like that. So I probably will do something like that going forward. Alright guys, so those are just a couple of mod shots in terms of how I intend to wear this bag. I think it's going to be super versatile, but mostly I'm going to wear it as a high crossbody, kind of like a bum bag style look, and just really be hands-free and use it really casually on a day-to-day basis. That's really how I think it looks best on. I do like the idea of being able to carry it as a little bit of a small hand carry or clutch as well, just kind of like this. Alright, so in terms of price point, that's probably what you're curious about. Again, my essay there confirmed that it's about a 10% discount at Louis Vuitton for all of their bags and small leather goods. So this bag retails for $3,300 on the website. I paid $3,000, and then the tax was only 4.7%. So definitely a decent amount of savings, saved a few $100s, which is pretty good for me. Of course, I do know that this recently was probably affected by the price increase earlier this year, which kind of kills me inside a little bit. But you know, that's life. That's how it goes. It would have been nice to score this bag before the price increase, but you know, I can't buy everything at all times, right? So I'm okay with that, but at least based on the price now, I did save $300 off of retail on this particular utility bag. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video and liked my little quick impromptu unboxing here in my hotel room before I leave Hawaii. If you have this bag, let me know what you think about it. Comment down below. Thank you so much for watching yet another unboxing video. I hope you enjoy this little series of my unboxings from Hawaii. I had such a great time in Hawaii. I hope you check out my vlog. I also, of course, love the shopping. So we are hoping to come back maybe even later this year. And I, of course, will keep you updated as to if I decide to or not. And I'm just going to start building a luxury wish list for my next trip to Hawaii as well. All right, thanks again, guys. Hope you're staying safe and healthy. See you in my next video. Bye.